Recently, some Nipah cases are reported in Kerala. So we must be aware about the Nipah and Nipah virus. There are some doubts exist. Now I am going to solve that. What is Nipah virus? Nipah is a dangerous virus that can spread from animals to humans and sometimes from one person to another. It can affect the brain, the lungs and other organs. Think of Nipah as an unwanted guest who enters your house quietly but starts damaging everything inside. Where does Nipah virus come from? Fruit bats are the natural hosts. The virus usually lives in bats without making them sick. How does Nipah spread? Eating fruits contaminated by bats. The bats which occupies this Nipah virus. Contact with infected animals or also close contact with infected patients. Virus travels like a thief jumping from one house to another. Recently we had a pandemic of COVID-19. So many are having the doubt that is Nipah spreads through air like a COVID-19? No. Nipah does not spread as easily as COVID. Usually close contact is required. What are the early warning signs? Fever, headache, body pain, dizziness, vomiting and fatigue. What makes Nipah dangerous? The virus can attack the brain. It can cause encephalitis, coma and death. Is there a cure for Nipah? Not approved vaccines yet. No specific medicine yet. Early hospital care can improve survival. How we can prevent Nipah? First of all, you wash fruits thoroughly. Peel fruits before eating. Avoid fruits bitten by bats or any other animals. Wash hands frequently. Avoid close contact with sick persons. When should I seek medical care? Warning signs: fever plus severe headache, fever plus confusion, fever plus breathing difficulty, contact history with Nipah patient. What should every family member must do in this situation? Don't panic, don't spread rumors, follow official health advice, seek medical help as early as possible. Fear spreads faster than Nipah. Let's awareness spread faster than fear. Nipah is serious, but awareness saves lives. Wash, peel, protect and seek help early.